that. You know what I'm talking about, so don't even start with your climate psychology.
Girl, why would he do that? I already forgave my student loan.
What you mean you forgave your student loan?
Cause who gonna pay him? I can't breathe. I can already taste the carbon.
First of all, calm down. You already know that climate doom is a white phenomenon. Dems in Congress and climate activists have done too much work for you to be acting like this is the end of the world. For example, their work with getting the Inflation Reduction Act passed. And girl, Joe Biden also approved $60 million to address the legacy of pollution and environmental injustice in BIPOC neighborhoods. Okay, just do it, Joe, but where you get all this information from? Girl from Climate Power, all you need to do is text these to 43464 and agree to receive recurrent automated text message updates about how the Inflation Reduction Act is helping to fight the climate crisis and how you can get involved. Girl, let me text them right now because I need some help. Please do, and after you do that, go touch some grass.